Hello dear learners, how are you today? I hope that you are doing well despite of what happened to our country. This is Sir Jesse Guzman. Join me as we discover and explore fun and challenging adventures in Learning Science 5. So what are you waiting for? Grab your pen, paper, and self-learning modules. Let's begin this exciting journey in learning science. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, hello there! Have you experienced to play with your friends? Of course! We run, we jump, we climb, we kick, and we exert forces. What did you notice on the video clip? That's right! The people are walking in a pedestrian lane. The people are in motion because they are moving from one place or the starting point to another, the side of the road. This is what we call the motion. From the time you wake up until you go to sleep, all our activities involve movement. We have to move in order to complete our task. Motion will always be a part of our life. But what do you mean by motion? Motion is a relative. It is change in position with respect to a reference point. Reference point. It is the fixed place or an object to use to determine the position of an object. Distance. It is the measurement of space between objects. How far or near point from one another. Time. The amount it takes an object to travel to a certain distance. Speed. It measures the motion of an object. It has two elements: distance, length, and time. This is the formula in computing speed. Speed equals distance over time. Speed equals d divided by time. Centimeter is used to measure short distances that can be measured by a rule. For longer distance, kilometer is being used for time. Seconds. It used for shorter time, being consumed, while hours is used for longer time. The chart between the distance and the time. Distance, centimeter, time, seconds. Distance, meter, time, minutes. Distance, kilometers, time, hours. Miles, distance, for days and years, time. Distance should always be exact, measured accurately and based on a standard unit of measurement. Scientifically, distance should be measured by using measuring tools used as the ruler, meter stick, tape measure, measuring wheel, and ultrasonic distance measurer. Here is the problem. Example, it takes a car 30 seconds to 90 meters. What is the speed? We have here the given So we need to find out the speed. T 90 meters and T is to 30 seconds. T is short term for distance and T for time. Okay, to solve this one, we need to follow the formula. S is equals to question mark, T is equals to 90 meters, T is equals to 30 seconds. So S equals T over T or 90 over 30. So we need to divide these two to get the answer. So 90 divided by 30 is equals to 3 seconds or 3s. Velocity, a measurement of speed together with direction. To get the velocity of the moving object, we must do example. It takes a car 40 seconds to go 80 meters toward north direction. So what is the velocity? Here's the given. Velocity is equals to question mark. T is equals to 80 meters and T is equals to 40 seconds. So V is equals to T over T or 80 meters divided by 40 meters. So the answer is V2 meters per second north. Remember, in describing the motion of an object by tracing and measuring its change in position or the distance traveled over the period of time, you need to take value of the importance of having a standard unit of measurement in determining the distance between 2 points. Knowledge in conversion is also necessary to get the speed of a moving object. Let us have an activity. Matching type. Read the sentences on the column A referring. Write the letter on the blank as your answer. So we have here the choices: A for the speed, B for the motion, C force, D reference point, and E is for distance. I will give you 10 seconds to copy this one. Okay, are you ready? So let us answer the questions or the statement. Okay, for number 1, it is a measurement of how far or near 2 points are from one another. Number 2, it can be calculated by dividing the distance covered by an object in motion by the time spent to cover the distance. 3. It is a fixed place or an object used to determine the position of the object. Number 4. It can be also described intuitively as push or the pull. Then 5. It is defined as the change of position with respect to its reference point. 10 seconds to answer. Check your answer. Okay, for number 1 is E. Distance, very good. Number 2, A. Speed, very good. Number 3, the correct answer is D. Reference point, very good. Number 4, C. Force, very good. Number 5 is D. Motion, very good. Okay. So for your assignment, write your answer on the comment box below. Can you try to solve this problem? I will read the problem and you are going to answer it in the comment box below. Okay. Mr. Santos' family always get together during weekend. They plan to go to Tagaytay with their new Toyota Rush. Tagaytay is 70 meters away from their home and they tend to get there in just 35 minutes. What will be the speed of the car needed to land in Tagaytay? So share your answer on the comment box below. Thank you. How many of you were able to get an amazing score? Very good. That's it for today. I hope that you learned your lesson well. Again, this is Sir Jesse Guzman saying, be an explorer, be a discoverer, be an amazing you. See you again next time. Bye-bye.